anyone try come your way. Temptation bad, aye. It's too bad, confusion bad, yeah. I say bad, see la. Yeah. Joy, when temptation comes, we could feel like say the what you don't end in none. When confusion comes, you see everything starts crashing down.
Mama, thank you. I'm fine. How are you? Mama, please enjoy. I packed and I didn't see you outside. I knew you was out here. She's at school. Yes. She's at school. You're really looking good. Very good. Why are you like this? Mama, looking like this. She's very good like this. Very fine.
Like this?
Yes, Mama.
Why is she's in school?
Mama, that was a slip of tongue. Cheta is looking very okay.
Cheta? Okay, like this. Cheta, what is this? What happened? You can't talk. What, Cheta? Cheta! Hey! Cheta! 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 Cheta, talk now. Cheta, what happened?
Mama,
What have you done to her?
Mama, I didn't do anything to her. I did nothing. It's just that
What happened?
Mama,
Hey!
I didn't know she came in.
Cheta! Cheta, because
Good evening.
Magali.
Are you alright?
I'm alright too. I am alright.
I came to see you concerning your granddaughter.
Huh? What happened?
I saw her, but it was in the dream. And she gave me a message for you.
Biko, tell me, what did she say?
Who be that mad dog? Where they use this girl? Nah, this girl, now you again. Can you not even this girl? Come. You forget you are kidding me here? You forget you are kidding the police. I'm not even this girl. Come. I didn't even talk myself. This is your name. Come. I ask you. You forget you are. Oh, Baba.
Today is not one of those.
Go back. Come.
What is all this now?
What are you mad? What are you thought of fire you?
It's like this your madness and your stupidity have gotten into you, Abi?
God, no provoke me.
Today is not one of those days, oh. Don't stop me.
Thunder, we no get back. Go back. What is this now? What is
Get out.
What is? Come. My papa tell me to make I know the fight woman. If not, it's a lie. I don't finish you. I kill you. I got one side. Come, what I'm trying to do? Come.
It's like you're very stupid. If you
If
stand on my way again,
what can
figure. Come on, get out. Get out. Are you mad? Huh?
Come on, get out. This guy, you know what? Let me get that.
Are you still talking? Are you still talking? You want me to break this your head? And Wafia, go and bring your cutlass. You think today is one of those days?
Which go from my baby?
How did you get those pictures?
Someone sent it to me. Who's that coming?
Oh, Charles. And what kind of embarrassment is that downstairs? You need to warn that stupid gatesman. In fact, I've terminated his duties in this house.
Excuse me. And who are you to sack my gatesman? What are you even doing here?
Well, I am Charles's wife. And I've come to possess my possession.
Oh yeah, you are Charles's wife.
Can we talk outside, please?
No. I'm not here for that. Do you understand? I want her to leave your house now. And I'm giving you 5 minutes. I don't want to come back here and see her.
It is not hot.
When temptation comes, it could feel like said you what you don't end. When confusion comes, things start splashing down.
For service. Person just die for when you serve.
Come to you. So person when they want make you pray, make confusion no look your way. At all.
Which can see person being head. Because I open gate to close gate. Teach yourself what? Huh? But they teach yourself when they protect. They get my intention we can get out where I come out. The homie will be chief security officer of this house. Huh?
So as we dey pray,
see, bro. No one no get at the wisdom. Idiot. That girl, I hate that girl. I don't like that girl at all. I hate her. Now when you say she don't carry herself and that is us now, don't be to the cause trouble. Monga will call himself Monga. As a man of heart, man of the house, no fit stand up as man of the house. Take charge, the authority, tell the idiot to get out. But I'm back for where I did. Where's Salas? There's Salas, get out! Get out, don't allow me to repeat myself. But the best way they cause trouble, you tell them get out. I don't know what you want to say. Just not be God. Give money when they give me a car. If they say God give me the kind of money when they give me a car, I don't go fuck up. So I'm ready for fuck up. Oh, Thunder go fire that girl. Thunder, she no go die well. God forbid, no give her my madam for the girl. Anything go make that girl be my madam for this house. Holy God, fire!
Cheta's message through Obegi that I should visit Mirabel in the city. I'm like, how do I get the address? I can't get what the address. Ha! Oh. Okay.
What is it?
I don't want to have anything to do with your family again. Pico, go.
Mama, please. Do not punish me because of what my father did to you and your family. Please. I'm only an innocent child.
You are his daughter. Your father killed my son and his pregnant wife. He also killed my husband. And you think I am happy? Eh? Because I do not want to set my eyes on any of the family members again. Go.
Mama, please. I'm against everything my father did to you and your family. Mama, please. That's why I left him. I didn't even came back when I heard the news of his death. Mama, accept me as your child.
Mama, it is too late. I've laid a curse on your father, his family, and his generation to come. They will never know peace.
Mama, please, reverse the curse. He's dead and gone. I'm his only child, and I'll be the one to bear the curses. Mama, I beg you. Mama, please. Please forgive me and my father. I know nothing about this. Please.
I reverse the curse. It shall be well with you and your generation. But to accept you as my family.
Mama, I have nowhere to go to. I don't have any relations. Mama, please accept me. Please. I beg you. Mama. Mama, please. Oh, please. I'm begging you, Mama. Mama, please. Madam, why are you looking at me like that? Haven't you seen a beautiful young lady before?
Nne, who are you and what are you doing in my daughter's house?
And what kind of stupid question is that? Huh? What right have you to ask me that? Anyway, I will throw you and your daughter out of this house very soon. Yes, and I'm not joking about it.
Itaraku kokezegudu. Mbana majogi. Itaraku kokezegudu. Eh? So you think I will sit back and watch you destroy my daughter's marriage? Never. Eliza. Eh? He said, I will set some 35 on your behalf. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
I've heard you. No problem. I don't have any issues with you. I'm just trying to be respectful here. But it seems like you don't like it. Very soon, I will throw you and that your stupid daughter out of this house. Look at this woman. Is it because I'm trying to be lenient with you? Where is Charles anyway? Charles! Charles! Charles!
What? You mean she sent these pictures to you?
Yeah.
How did she get them?
That's exactly what I've been trying to unravel.
Why didn't you tell me about this? Why did you keep it away from me?
Because I wanted to get to the root of this first before telling you about it.
Hey, I don't know how she got these pictures, but the person, whomever is behind this picture, killed Cheta. I can't even imagine how the person got into this compound without Silas knowing about it.
That's another question that needs to be answered.
Silas, he needs to be interrogated if you ask me.
Yes, but he said...
He said what? What is that thing he said? What did he...
And Charles, what kind of embarrassment is that? Huh?
What's the meaning of this nonsense? Have you got nuts?
What do you mean, what's the meaning of this?
Why would you bash into my privacy like that?
Are you shouting at me?
Oh, please, madam, get out of this place. Get out of this place.
Charles, please ask her to leave.
Can you go downstairs so I can come there and we'll have a discussion?
That's not possible. If there's anybody should live here, she should be the one. Or do you want me to call the police?
Are you something wrong with your head? Are you insane? Get out of here before I show my grace. What's wrong with you?
You show me your grace. Me? Hey, hey. Me? Well, maybe because you don't know me. That's why you just say that.
Excuse me, Charles. Hello?
Babe.
I am the craziest person you will ever see. So please, Charles!
I think you have to excuse us.
Are you joking? Did
Charles.
you just spew this nonsense now?
I will not leave for you, my darling. Charles! Is she leaving or not? Or I should call the police?
Babe, what are you doing?
I said I am not leaving.
Do you have any idea what you're about to do?
I said I'm not leaving.
Should I call the police?
Babe.
Charles.
Babe, you need to leave now. Alright, babe, let's see outside.
You are going nowhere, Charles. Sit back there. She should be the one to leave. Now.
What's wrong with you? Sit back where you want to sit back.
Charles!
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with you?
Sit down.
Not leaving.
Sit down.
I am not leaving because I am going to call
You had
the
better
police.
stand, though. You had better stand. Stand! Rubbish.
What in God's name is Charles doing with that lady? Something somewhere is beating a drum for her. And Charles is aware of it.
You think you're funny? Nonsense! Rubbish! Charles, you will not do that nonsense to me, oh! Mama, can you imagine? Charles drove me out of our room. Charles!
It's because of that lady, right?
Yes, Mama, because of that girl. Because of her. Imagine, Charles is angry at me because I raised my hand to slap her and Charles held my hand and dragged me out of the room. Just imagine.
What?
Okay.
He did?
He did that.
No.
He did it.
I will not allow it.
Mama, hey, Mama, aye.
Now let me go there and drag her out of this house.
No. Calm down, this is my house. I will do it myself. Just calm down, please. What is this?
I should calm down. What about Eliza? Allow that prostitute to come and destroy your marriage.
Mama, let me handle this my own way. I want to handle it my own way. Please.
Don't stop me. I want to go there.
Mama, now. Mama, just sit down, please.
It's alright. Hey.
Mama, don't pass here again, no. Please. This is my home. I'm going to wait for Charles here. He will definitely take this route. So let me wait for him here.
Hi.
It's me. He's the one. He knows how to hold my hand and drag me. Okay, no problem. I'm waiting here.
Hey.
No, Mama, leave this hotness.
Hey.
When Charles is here.
Let us drag this girl. You know, as in the hot.
Mama, I don't have business with the girl. I don't. It's Charles that I have business with. Please.
Why have you decided to ruin my marriage? Why can't you let me be?
You know I can never let you be. You are mine and mine alone, babe. Come on. And besides, take your wife things out of this room.
Why are you doing this to me? Why? Why did you even lock the door?
I need no disturbance. The last time you and I spent together, I really enjoyed it. And I've been craving for it. Come on now, babe.
Do you realize this is my matrimonial bed?
Our matrimonial bed, babe. Ours! Not yours anymore. And that of your wife. So please, cut it. I don't want to go to a police station just because I love you. So please, don't push me. Don't!
Listen, I can't do anything with you here. Alright? It's obvious you've come to stay. So let's go downstairs so I'll find one of the guest rooms and hand over to you.
You must be the biggest joker of the century. Me? Follow you downstairs? Maybe you think I was joking when I said your wife is leaving this house today. Don't try me, oh!
Where did you get those pictures from? Obviously, it was you who took the pictures, so you know exactly who killed Cheta.
Your wife killed her. Yes, your wife killed her. So where I got the picture is none of your business. So please, forget this. Let's just get down to business.
Stop.
Come on.
Can you stop this?
Babe, don't do this.
Hey, stop this. I said stop.
No.
Stop.
Charles. Charles.
Have you seen it? Eh? If you would have not stopped me, this wouldn't have happened. Charles, open this door! But why will he stoop so low? Why will he be this stupid and senseless? Charles! Ogo! My in-law!
God.
That was me laughing.
Charles! Ogo! My in-law!
Charles, please, I'm begging you, Charles.
What is all this nonsense? Let's go. Let's go.
Go! Charles, please!
Not to let you suffer. I had in mind to better our lives, but it took me away from you, Mama.
Maybe someone came here when I was inside. Okay. Let me see if the person will come back.
I wish you can see me. How I wish you can see me, Mama.
Down. You cannot kill yourself by yourself because of this thing.
I don't understand. Mama, I should calm down. Please, can you explain to me what my husband is doing inside our room with that harlot? Mama, it's been almost 6 hours. 6 hours! Tell me why he would do this kind of thing to me. Do I deserve it?
You do not deserve this one, eh? But please, don't hurt yourself because if you do, you are still the one losing.
Oh.
Eh? Yes, you are the one losing. So, let's give him some time to come
Really?
out, eh?
Don't worry. I know what to do.
Mirabel.
Silas! Silas, I don't want you to come out. Just give me your knife. Give it to me. Stay inside there. rubbish. I don't want to see you.
Hey!
I don't understand. Mama, please, you forward. What am I spoiling for you?
You will injure somebody.
I will not.
Hey.
I will only use this thing and open the door. At least I will enter in there and know what they're
Don't do that, please.
Hey! Mama, Mama, leave me alone. What do you mean? Leave me alone. Let me bring down this door. What is he doing inside there of this house?
Everything will be fine. Happy you will still come out. We'll become one. Let's go to our room. Please.
Mama, I'm not going anywhere, please.
Mirabel.
Mama, I'm not leaving. This is my own home. This room is my room and I'm not leaving my room for anybody.
Yeah, please, let's go to my room.
I'm not going anywhere.
For you to stay here. Let's go to my room. What is funny?
No.
I will cry as well.
Mama, but what you think is not good.
Charles. Don't worry, you'll come back to your senses.
Why are you doing this? Just why are you doing this for God's sake? If you want us to get married, this is not the best way to go about it.
My darling, you know you're the one messing everything up. Come now.
Can you leave me alone?
This is just a simple thing. Eh? It's not like we've not done this before. Please come and touch me, Joe.
Will you stop this nonsense? You see these pictures? I'll get to the root of them. And when I do, you have yourself to blame.
For your mind. If you like, go heaven, come down. Nothing. You will never get to the root of this. Yes, and besides, I've kept your wife where she's supposed to be. So at this point, it's you and I. So please, let me just...
Stop! Stop right now. Hand over the key to me. You've kept me in here for too long. Give me the key to the door. Now!
You're nowhere. Lie! Come on, Charles. There's no need for us to be at each other's throats. I just want us to have a feel of each other.
Can you stop putting your hands on me? What's your problem?
It's me, oh.
You who? I mean, what is wrong with you?
Charles, just take a proper look at me. Come on. Am I not good enough for you? Am I? Come here.
Stop. Mama, leave me. Mama, give me that much here.
Charles,
Mama, leave me.
I will not.
Can you open the door? Open the door for my wife!
My body is on fire. Touch me.
Stop! I said stop this nonsense.
My daughter, you know your silence is dangerous. And I don't know what is going on in your mind now. Please, put yourself together. Because if anything happens to you, Charles will move on with his life. Become one. You know? Because...
Mirabel, please open the door.
Mama, please don't open that door.
Why?
I beg you in the name of God, don't open that door. Charles, please just get away. Go away from here.
Please, open the door. Alright, I have something to tell you.
I don't want to hear. I don't want to listen to you. So you go back to your new wife.
It's not what you think. Please open the door and hear me out. You need to know what's going on, babe. Please.
Mirabel, withdraw that statement. There is no new wife here. You remain his legal wife. Now,
Mama.
I'm not a fool to live with another woman in a matrimonial bed.
Oh, but what were you doing? What did you do? The two of you were locked up inside that room, not so?
It's not
were you both looking at each other?
It's not what you think.
Oh.
Alright, she locked the door and seized the key. She was only putting up an act to make it look like we were doing something. We're doing nothing.
Really? The morning and everything was just an act?
It was an act, babe. Listen, she was my ex. But I never promised her marriage while we were dating. I broke up with her before I met you and we got married. I don't know where she surfaced from and then she said I must get married to her. And now she's trying to use the pictures as advantage. She locked the door. She locked me inside. I wanted to leave, but she locked me inside. But not to worry, I deleted the pictures already from her phone while she was asleep. First thing tomorrow morning, she's leaving this house. Everything is going to be fine. Right?
When temptation comes, it could be like said what you don't end in. When confusion comes, you see everything starts crashing down. So person where the word make you pray, make temptation no come to you, make it no come to you. So person where the word make you pray, make confusion no look your way at all, oh. Cause temptation bad, oh yeah. When it come, everything is scatter and the confusion bad, oh yeah. So make you no pray, make anyone try come your way. Temptation bad, oh. It's too bad, oh. It's too bad, oh. Confusion bad, oh yeah. I say bad, oh.
Charles! Charles!
So as you dey pray for daily bread, also pray for wahala. Make it no come knocking on your door. That time is up as you know your back. When temptation comes, it could be like say the what you don't end in. When confusion comes, you see everything starts crashing down. So person when the word make you pray, make temptation no come to you, make it no come to you. So person when the word make you pray, make confusion no look your way at all, oh. Cause temptation bad, oh yeah. When it come, everything is
Choose a God!
confusion bad,
Charles!
yeah. So make you no pray, make anyone try come your way. Temptation bad, oh.
Charles!
It's too bad, oh. It's too bad, oh. Confusion bad, oh. Yeah.
Charles!
I say bad, oh.
Charles, open this door. Charles! Charles, I'll not let you go. Open this door, Charles. Charles! Charles, open this door. Charles! I'll not let you rest, though. If you don't open this door, I'll break it, though. Charles!
Nne.
Yeah, good morning.
Morning, Nne. Kekime.
I'm fine.
Thank you very much. Oh. Thank you, Nne.
What are you thanking me for?
For sweeping my compound. I've not been able to sweep it for the past 5 days.
I wasn't the one that swept your compound.
Are you serious?
I'm just coming now.
I just woke up and found my compound swept. Oh, yes, yes, Azalomia.
Whoever that swept the compound will come back and tell you later.
Okakwamma o. Hey.
I have not talked with Rita. And she hasn't returned. Meaning she has succeeded. Yes. Let me even call her to know what's happening in her new home. You see that girl? She's a bad girl. I mean, she's a bitch. Taking another woman's home like nothing happened. Okay? Let me speak with her first. Hey babe, what's up?
Hi Sandy, good morning.
So you cannot call me to tell me what's up? Are you alright?
I'm fine. I'm okay. I'm just tired from the last night. Make out with Charles. It was just amazing. And I didn't want to disturb him, so I just needed to take some rest. Anyway, just rest, okay? I'll call you much later in the day.
Okay. I'll be waiting.
Alright.
This girl get mind. She gets mind. Wow. It's okay. I'll be waiting.
Sandra, I know what you'll be thinking right now. Anyway, I probably said what I said to you. So you just get your mind off my problems. What are you doing here in this room with these people?
I need to get up right now. Pack your things and get the hell out of my house before I call the cops on you. Now!
Oh my god. Are you alright?
Excuse you?
You must be the biggest joker of the century.
Oh, please. He said, get up, get your things and get out of this house.
Who just said that?
Oh, shoot. Oh, please shut up. Honey, what are you still waiting for? Call the police.
Look at this. Shoot what?
You need to get out now.
You think I'm a fool? Do you think I'm a fool, Charles? You must be joking. You think because you deleted the picture that I don't have dozens of it? I have a lot of them. Millions. Don't bother. Probably I should shock both of you. Why are you shouting? Don't shout. Shh. I thought you were making noise. Come on. Don't worry. Huh? I've come to stay.
She told me before she went to Charles's house that the first thing she will do is to persuade him to get her pregnant. And she was in ovulation period before she left. Now, she told me that she had him all night. This is over desperation. Rita, you must tell me the magic behind this. Yes, you will. Who is this? Who is this? Hello? Which Charles are you talking about? Oh, Charles! How are you doing? Longest time. How did you get my number? Oh, how is everything going with you? Discuss? Okay. When do you want it? Okay, it's fine. Oh, okay. Till then, see you.
Thank you.
Yeah, alright.
Throw her out of this house. Do you hear me?
And if she doesn't?
And I will throw you out too if you intervene. And this will be the last time for both of you.
So you feel you can do anything in my own house?
In your house. Do you have a house? The house I've taken over from you. Anyway, very soon I'll be pregnant for Charles. And I'll have a male child for him. Throw you out of this house.
Yes! Let me tell you, God will never allow you to achieve your evil end in my daughter's house. Just the way you came, eh? I promise you, the target is coming. The same way you will leave this house. I'm not fear.
Well, I have no time to waste with both of you. Yes, because your days are numbered in this house. Keep dreaming. Oh? Nonsense. Stupid setup.
Unless my God is not alive. What is 36 in this As soon as speaking in talk, this is money for. Let us do as Charles said. All we need is patience.
Mama, what is patience? A woman is trying to take over my home and you're saying I should be patient.
I know it's really not going to be easy, but...
But what? Don't say but. The highest you will do is to call the police.
Have you thought about the consequences? No, tell me. How are you going to defend yourself? Eh?
I just want to wake up from this dream. Somebody should just wake me up because I can't take it anymore. Wake me up to reality.
It is not a dream. Oh, Uriako is calling.
Yeah.
Uriako, hi. I've really disappointed her.
Are you saying you want to pick the call?
No, but I really feel for her.
Mama, don't pick the call. Mama, please, don't pick it.
It's alright. Let me go down and prepare something for us to eat. Oh?
Just cook for yourself. I'm not hungry.
Look again. You won't tell me that. Eh? You've not tested anything since last night. You can't go on starving yourself. Let me go and prepare something for us to eat. Oh? I'm coming. Oh.
My friend Sandra will be so worried about me. Oh, she's calling. Hi, Sandy baby.
Rita, what's up? You promised to call me back.
Come on, babe. You know how it is. It's not easy to reunite with your ex. And trust me, it's been rovey and dovey all the while. Trust me. It's been amazing reuniting with Charles.
Are you for real?
I'm telling you the honest truth. You know how it is. Charles is just a sweet and loving soul.
So, how about his wife?
Babe, come on. How can you be asking me such a question? I dealt with her. Like, she went down on her knees, begging. Trust your friend now. You know I have a good heart. I just gave her a condition.
You gave her a condition, which is?
Well, you know this is not what we're going to talk over the phone. You need to come over here. So we'll talk about it.
Wow.
Okay?
You're a bad girl. So, here, one more thing. Charles called me and he said I should not tell you. Please don't tell him that I told you.
Charles called her.
Hello? Are you there?
Yes, I'm there. Okay. What did you say? Charles called you? Why?
I don't know. He just called that I should come and see him. Till I see him first.
Okay. I want you to call off that appointment. Tell him you're not going to make it.
Why?
I will explain to you when we see. He's my husband and I don't want anyone close to him. So please, just call him now. Tell him you're not going to make it.
What are you trying to say?
Sandra, please. Call him. Tell him what I said. I will explain to you when we see.
Huh. Okay.
Alright. I'll see you soon. Why? How did Charles get her number? To the extent of calling her for an appointment.
Why did she say that to me? That she doesn't want anybody around her husband? If I didn't tell her, would she have known? That was an embarrassment to me. What did she even mean, self? Who is this again? Hello, good afternoon. Yeah, I'm fine. Okay. I will be with you shortly. Because of this statement she made, I am going to meet Charles to find out what she's trying to hide. I know her very well. She is my friend.
Old woman, what are you doing in my kitchen? Huh? What are you doing in my kitchen? Please get out.
This is my daughter's kitchen, Biko.
Huh? This kitchen? Yes. Old woman, please. Don't talk. Stop it!
Hey! What's happening here?
No.
I don't understand. Who are you to talk to my mother in that manner?
And is it because I'm keeping quiet? Huh? Don't you know that I have taken over this house?
In my own kitchen.
Which house?
Taking over this house. You have taken over this house.
Oh, please!
I have taken enough of your nonsense. Do you understand me?
Did you just slap me?
And I will slap you and slap you again. In fact, I'll beat you blue black if you don't step out of this kitchen. Mama, don't worry. I will deal with her. Mama, please, relax. Relax.
I'll deal with you.
You will deal with me, I see. You will deal with me.
Why did you slap her?
Mama, I don't understand you. This is my kitchen, for God's sake.
Please, to be careful of her.
Mama, please go and cook. You wanted to cook, Abi?
Let's be careful of this. Yeah. Oh.
Mama, do you need my help?
No, Mama, I can do it.
Are you sure?
Yes.
She doesn't know me yet. I will deal with her in this house. Who is she? Who does she think she is?
Hey, Kaminda, shouldn't have slapped her.
Mama, I don't understand you. I shouldn't have slapped her? Really? If she likes, let her call the police. I will defend myself. It is my marriage that I'm fighting for.
Mirabel, what have you done?
Are you okay?
Why did you slap her?
Why did I slap her? I've taken enough from that harlot.
We had an agreement, Mirabel.
Yes, we had an agreement. Is that the reason you'll be shouting at me? Did you see how she ordered my mom out from the kitchen?
We talked about this. You've endured her for so long until now. What if she reports Cheta's murder to the police? Do you think you'll be able to stand it? Do you know the amount of charges that will be placed on your head?
Please, my in-law, calm down. Oh, please, anyway. We are sorry. Biko. Oh, we are sorry. Anyway, Biko.
Mama, please don't even say that. Look at how my husband is shouting at me just because of that harlot. Bitch.
What I'm trying to tell you is...
Sincerely speaking, listen to me and listen very, very good. I have taken enough. It is my marriage that I'm fighting for. Mama, it seems you've forgotten that I'm heartbroken. How am I sure that day in there, he has not started sleeping with her?
Please, Mom, try and reason with him. Eh? Please, try and understand what he's saying.
Up till now, I am yet to see or know who is running all these errands for me. Eh? I just entered the kitchen now. Everywhere thoroughly mopped. All the plates and utensils washed. Who is doing all this? Who is doing all this?
It's your granddaughter that is doing all this.
I'm beginning to get scared though.
Mama, don't be scared.
It's as if someone is talking to me.
Mama, it's Cheta. Mama, I'm here.
But no one is here.
It's time I went back to Charles's place. But this time, I'm not going to spare anyone.
You walk out. I said, now, boss. I see the here was. This guy is no longer here.
Did he go out without telling me? Hey, you, come. I say come! I mean they tell now what? Come this way. I said come this way!
Yeah. No, look at bastard. See, but just tell me so we can go. Just tell me say you are fired.
You are just very stupid. Don't allow me to hit you out of here. Come on! Where did my husband go? Huh?
Okay, Mezina. What have I done?
What do you mean, And we are Mezina. What have you done? Where did my husband go to? Was that not what I asked you?
No, I said no. Come on, get out of here! I'm off here. Get out! Am I the one you are talking to like that? No, I said I talk to her. Are you talking to me? No, I said I talk to her. I will slap you. I said you should get out. Don't provoke me this evening. Idiot. I'll know if I'm the one you are mumbling for. This girl All the fire will you up. What can you do? Go get out. You na good inchi. Oh cow. This girl Nah, I fire myself. Fire myself. Now where they go?
Wait a minute. Are you saying you did not welcome Rita in your house?
Sandra, I'm a happily married man. Okay, I'm living with my wife. There was never a time while we were dating did I promise Rita marriage. Why is she doing this to me?
I don't get it. What is she doing in your house if she's not welcomed? I mean, you should have thrown her out immediately.
She's blackmailing me.
What?
Yes.
What?
So this is Rita's source of courage. What exactly is she using to blackmail you?
I'm sorry I cannot give you details right now. But I called you out here to help me beg her to please stop.
Charles, I don't believe what you just said now. Rita, my friend, is blackmailing you?
Oh yes, you can call her and find out. I can't lie to you. Please, she's about to destroy my marriage. I don't want it. My house is on fire because of her. Help me beg her to stop this.
Charles, it's okay. Please just calm down. I will talk to her. Okay.
Thank you.
Rita, the very sharp girl. Rita, the sharp girl. Wow. No wonder she was against Charles and I meet. So this is what has been going on behind me. This guy has not touched you. You were busy posting videos and pictures. Romantic pictures for that matter. Rita. This is ridiculous. Like, I can't believe this. This girl. She's calling me. Hi, babe.
Don't tie me, Sandra. I warned you. I told you to call off that appointment with Charles, but you still went ahead and meet him.
Babe, chill. I can explain to you.
I should chill. Like, chill for what? Tell me to chill. I want you to stay away from my husband. And...
Excuse me. And who is your husband?
What did you just say?
Listen, he has told me everything.
Rita, how could you? Are you this wicked and heartless? How could you? You want to take another woman's happiness?
And what are you talking about?
Look, Rita, before now I have been wondering what gave you the guts. But now I know better.
Get out of my phone, Sandra. And I'm not going to say it again. Do you hear what I said? Stay away from my husband. Stupid idiots.
Rita, hello? Hello?
Yo, yeah. Joy. When temptation comes, it could feel like say the what they don't end in none. When confusion comes, you see everything starts crashing down. So person where the word make you pray, make temptation not come to you, make you not come to you.
Where have you been? Your grandmother has been looking all over for you.
Ma, please, can you give this to my grandma when you get home?
You look sad. Is anything the matter? And whose address is this?
That is the address that she has been looking for. Please tell her that she should pack for the city immediately.
Address?
Thank you, ma.
Solution has come.
Solution what? To what?
Cheta gave it to me on my way to this place.
My own Cheta?
Yes.
Where is she?
I don't know where she went to. She said you should move to the city immediately. This is the address.
It was a dream. Let me look for pen and write it down before I forget it. Hey.
Come, who be the man? No the fear. Hey, come on! In the class.
This is not my auntie. Who is she?
is Charles. Charles is actually stepping on my toes. So he has gone to be with that woman. I'll not allow that tonight. Not at all.
Who is she? And what is she doing in this house?
Yes. It has not been easy over here, but we are managing. When am I going to see you again? Interesting. Yes. Like I can't wait to see you again. Okay. Yes. Let me call you back.
Hi, Sandra.
What can I do for you?
You are asking me what you can do for me. Well, I'll just make it clear. What did you discuss with my husband? Why will you have a date with my husband? I felt betrayed by you. So please, for the very last time, stay away. I will not want you again.
Now, listen, Rita. I don't have anything to do with your husband. Now leave my house. Go and marry your so-called husband. What does one gain by blackmailing another? Nothing. It always backfires. And now it's backfiring you. Have you seen it?
It's not in your place to tell me that. So if it backfires, it should be my concern. So stay off. I will not warn you again.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you at all. Look at her.
Oh yeah. Why did you keep me waiting? Kneel down, Nonsense. Go down on your knees. Why are you standing?
Sorry, I don't know say that you know say most times you get all these small children. They go there, they play, they knock the gate back because small mirror they there. So once they see themselves.
As full as I am, as big as I am, that's why you didn't notice me.
No verse. I don't know. You know say no point. When I hear the thing, you be like say I sleep. No verse. I don't know say that you forgive me, madam.
You're a very stupid idiot.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, get out.
Yes, thank you.
This way.
Where did she go to?
No idea.
And what is going on here? Why is she here? Hey, Charles. Why is she here? Please ask her to leave.
I'll ask her to leave. But first we need to finish our discussion, okay?
In our matrimonial room. Like, please walk her out.
Matrimonial.
Excuse you?
Quite excused.
You mortuary. Please don't kill me.
Confess now.
Please.
Confess.
Please. I'll confess.
Now.
Please.
What was that?
Excuse you. How am I supposed to know?
Let's find out.
Confess now.
I'll confess. I'll confess.
Wait, I don't understand. Confess what? What game are you playing with?
Play a game. She said I should confess. I'll confess.
But you've not seen anybody here now.
Yes.
Huh? Tell them who you're seeing and confess
Please,
now.
no. I'll confess. I'll confess. That nonsense woman be waiting here. No, I had a day for this house. Just go back home. I had a day. Go!
Mas não vê só. Come. Come. No verse. When I no verse, I beg no verse. But who na be?
My name is Uriak. I am Cheta's grandmother.
Chetanna. That small fine girl. What is this? Why? When I did there, something just enter my hand. I like it. No, man, I don't go anywhere. Yeah, well, I don't. Yeah, man, go see. No one ever pick up. Yeah, whoa.
Hey! I've come to see my daughter.
My grandmother is here to confess now. Tell them what you did. Now!
I killed her.
talking about? Eh? Where is my granddaughter? I want to see my granddaughter. Kedia.
Yo, yeah. Joy, when temptation comes, it could feel like say the what they don't end in none. When confusion comes, you see everything starts crashing down. So person where the word make you pray, make temptation no come to you, make it no come to you. So person where the word make you pray, make confusion no look your way at all, oh. Cause temptation bad, oh yeah. When it come, everything is scatter and the confusion bad, oh yeah. So make you no pray, make anyone try come your way. Temptation bad, aye. It's too bad, it's too bad, confusion bad, yeah. I say bad, Sila. So as we dey pray for daily bread, also pray for wahala, make it no come knocking on your door. That time is about no deal. When temptation comes, it could be like say the what they don't end in none. When confusion comes, you see everything starts crashing down. Yo, yeah. Joy, when temptation comes, it could feel like say the what they don't end in none. When confusion comes, you see everything starts crashing down. So person where the word make you pray, make temptation no come to you, make it no come to you. So person where the word make you pray, make confusion no look your way at all, oh. Cause temptation bad, oh yeah. When it come, everything is scatter and the confusion bad, oh yeah. So make you no pray, make anyone try come your way. Temptation bad, aye. It's too bad, it's too bad, confusion bad, yeah. I say bad, Sila. So as we dey pray for daily bread, also pray for wahala, make it no come knocking on your door. That time is about no deal. When temptation comes, it could be like say the what they don't end in none. When confusion comes, you see everything starts crashing down. So person where the word make you pray, make temptation no come to you, make it no come to you. So person where the word make you pray, make confusion no look your way at all, oh. Cause temptation bad, oh yeah. When it come, everything is scatter and the confusion bad, oh yeah. So make you no pray, make anyone try come your way. Temptation bad, aye. It's too bad, it's too bad, confusion bad, yeah. I say bad, Sila. Aye. Yeah. Joy, when temptation comes, it could feel like say the what they don't end in none. When confusion comes, you see everything starts crashing down. So person where the word make you pray, make temptation no come to you, make it no come to you. So person where the word make you pray, make confusion no look your way at all, oh. Cause temptation bad, oh yeah. When it come, everything is scatter and the confusion bad, oh yeah. So make you no pray, make anyone try come your way. Temptation bad, aye. It's too bad, oh. It's too bad, oh. Confusion bad, oh yeah. I say bad, oh. See la. So as you dey pray for daily bread, also pray for wahala. Make it no come knocking on your door. That time is about no deal. When temptation comes, it could be like say the what you don't end in none. When confusion comes, you see everything starts crashing down. So person where the word make you pray, make temptation no come to you, make it no come to you. So person where the word make you pray, make confusion no look your way at all, oh. Cause temptation bad, oh yeah. When it come, everything is scatter and the confusion bad, oh yeah. So make you no pray, make anyone try come your way.